Hello beautiful people, here's another healthy recipe for you.
Today we have a guest chef. What are we making today, chef?
We're making tofu with bell pepper, eggplant, and a tonkatsu sauce.
But first, we need to harvest the vegetables we need.
These eggplants in 5-gallon pots were germinated directly from seeds about 5 or almost 6 months ago, and they've been producing for the last 3 or 4 months, and we expect another month or so. Our bell peppers were planted at about the same time, maybe a couple of weeks later, and the bell peppers are still producing, and those will probably last into early winter. This is what we harvested today, and we're cooking this with tofu. First thing to do is cut the eggplant and then soak them in water with salt in order to take out the bitterness from the eggplant. Soak the eggplant for about 30 minutes. While the eggplant is soaking, we slice the tofu into pieces. We can slice it in half like this. And then slice them again, half this way and then another half, just lengthwise, so that it will be easier to stack them. They're thinner, easier to stack them. Then spray them with a little bit of cooking oil and then stack them inside the air fryer, not touching each other, and put them in just one layer. Second layer, the second half, you soak with more, you spray with more cooking oil and then just carefully stack them. Make sure they're not touching each other in the air fryer. And it's probably a good idea to spray them again. Set the air fryer to 375 degrees and cook for 20 minutes. Next, we take medium onion and chop as shown, and also chop the bell peppers. We're ready to cook and start by spraying a light layer of cooking oil. Add about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can choose to cook it by itself first, or you can add the chopped onions immediately, as he's doing here. Cook the garlic and the onion until they are golden brown. Drain the eggplant that was soaking. Place the bell pepper and then half of the chopped eggplant in the pan. Add the remaining half of the eggplant and then spray a thin layer of cooking oil and then stir thoroughly so they don't stick together. Spray another thin layer of cooking oil. Stir the mixture thoroughly to make sure that all the vegetables get cooked. Cover the pan and cook for another 6 to 8 minutes. Add the air-fried tofu using a kitchen scissor to cut them in smaller pieces. Add Tonkatsu sauce to taste. Stir and cook for another 2 minutes. And that's our dish for today. Thank you for watching.